Hello all, I'm Harsha and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. As you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers of the country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main focus of our series is to make you all know about the experiences and achievements of our guests. So, in the same series today, we have with us Miss Renu Singh, who is the Senior Vice President Sales of Raheja Developers Limited. But before we actually, move ahead in the conversation with her, let's have a look at a very small video which will tell you about the things which we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hi Renu, how are you?
Yeah, hi. Very good evening, Varsha. I'm good, fine. Thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. Thank you so very much. So, before we actually move ahead in the conversation, please tell us something about you and your profession.
I'm born in a small village of Rajasthan in a Jat family, where there
Mhm.
was a concept of not to give education to a girl child. But I was brought up well by my parents, taught by them not to get afraid, not to get shy in this men dominating world. I have two brothers and me, the only sister. My both parents were not educated, but they wanted us to study in the best convent school of the town. I did my schooling from convent school, Renukut, and I did my graduation from Rajasthan. When I was 19 years old, I started my job just after my graduation, and further I did all my master education through distance learning. As far as my professional background is concerned, I'm working with the Raheja Developers as a senior vice president sales, having 16 years of professional experience in real estate across luxury sales, marketing, retail leasing, commercial sales, and commercial leasing. I started my professional career with Senior Builders in the year 2004. Then I joined International Land Developers Limited in 2006. And then since 2013, I joined Raheja Developers as a Deputy General Manager, where I'm here since last 7 years and been promoted as a Senior Vice President of the company and taking care of sales of entire vertical of Delhi NCR. That was all about my personal and professional background.
Okay, lovely it is. Okay, so Renu, this COVID-19 has its impact on almost every sector. So,
Yes.
how does this COVID-19 impacted real estate, and also what are the ways of coming out of it?
As
Yes.
we all know that due to this COVID-19 coronavirus, the situation is very bad and extremely unfortunate for all of us. In fact, the entire globe have been hit by something which we have never ever in our lifetime witnessed or imagined or never heard of this kind of pandemic. And there is an uncertainty in the market. People are worried and no one knows what needs to be done. And globally, people, government, economy and business have been adversely impacted, and there is no proof safety plan to manage such type of pandemics. So the real estate sector was adversely impacted particularly in the initial few days. But if we talk about now it has really made everyone realize the importance of having their own roof with where they can tell their own house which they can use or call on their emergency time. We see a lot of people staying on rent wants to shift on to their first house, whether it's an affordable mixed segment or a plotted segment.
Mhm.
Now, being a developer, we need to think out of box because अब real estate वाला वो time है जहाँ पर लोगों को भी लगता है this is the best time for investment, but there should be something attractive. Why people should invest their money right now? So we are coming out with some creative ideas to sell our property. and we are focusing on the construction, that the construction is happening there and now, because कई सारी sites हैं जहाँ पर आज की डेट में construction नहीं हो रहा है, but by God grace we are lucky that रहेजा की सारी sites पे full flash construction चल रहा है, and this has gained the confidence of the buyer also. And also in this pandemic we have launched some new schemes, we have launched special plans for the buyers to purchase this time. And as lockdown has also opened, but people are quite worried that they should move for a site visit, बाहर जाना चाहिए meetings के लिए, site visits के लिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, सब घबरा रहे हैं अभी. तो in that case what we have done, we have started this technology driven approach. So we are getting Zoom meetings done for our customers, we are getting Google Hangouts, we are doing meetings through video conferencing, and we have created an option also in Raheja where the customer sitting at his house can see take a virtual tour of our property. घर पे बैठ के वो हमारी दुकान देख सकता है, शॉप देख सकता है, कंस्ट्रक्शन देख सकता है कि कैसा कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. एंड रियल एस्टेट, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इस पैंडेमिक में अगर हम देखते हैं तो बाकी सारी सेक्टर से रियल एस्टेट फिर भी मच बेटर कर रहा है. कई सारी इंडस्ट्रीज और सेक्टर्स जो है उनको टाइम लगेगा इस लॉस से अंडरकम होने में, बट रियल एस्टेट को एज सच बहुत ज्यादा टफ टाइम नहीं फेस करना पड़ता है. And seeing this scenario, this is the best time for our buyers to invest. जिसके पास आज पैसा है, job security है, उसके पास इससे best time ही नहीं है investment का, because they can negotiate with the builder, they can get best rates, best deals. Because आज अगर हम market में देखते हैं तो market के अंदर share market crash हो रहा है, FDs में return नहीं मिल रहा है, जो लोगों ने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था SIP में, SIP नीचे चला गया है. तो आज क्या मार्केट है, मार्केट में पैसे अगर लोगों पे है तो वो कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करेगा. तो प्रॉपर्टी इज द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट, बिकॉज इट्स एन एसेट व्हिच इज गोइंग टू गिव यू इंक्रीज इन एप्रिसिएशन. And earlier when this lockdown happened, people were worried, but अब मार्केट में इंक्वायरीज भी आनी स्टार्ट हो चुकी हैं. And I'm seeing a lot of inquiries happening now in our project ourselves, and we are focusing on the NRI market also. And there are existing customers, there are new buyers, they are coming to the market. And now NRIs have also realized that India is the only country they can call their own home. Because जब ये लॉकडाउन हुआ था, जिस टाइप से गवर्नमेंट ने हेल्प किया था NRIs को टू कम बैक टू आवर कंट्री, उनको बहुत हेल्प किया था. तो दैट वाज द वर्ल्ड मींस फ्रॉम ऑल द पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. So that was a really commendable job what the government did. And this is giving the confidence to the NRIs also to come back to India, to purchase their own property, to stay here, and end of the day medical is also increasing. So COVID का ज़्यादा impact real estate पे नहीं पड़ा है. बीच में थोड़े टाइम्स के लिए लोगों ने इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए they were just thinking कि कैसा है, क्या है, कैसे होगी प्रॉपर्टी, लेनी चाहिए, नहीं लेनी चाहिए. But now people have started investing and movements have also started. The site visits have also started at the prospective sites.
ओके फाइन. सो रेनू, इसमें एक क्वेश्चन ये भी उठता है, पहले से ये चीज देखी जा रही है कि विमेन्स आर ऑलवेज अंडर रिप्रेजेंटेड इन द रियल एस्टेट. सो व्हाट आर योर व्यूज ऑन इट?
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट वर्षा, व्हेन आई जॉइंड रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर, इनफैक्ट कई लोगों से फीडबैक मिलता था कि यार यू आर ए फीमेल, रियल एस्टेट मत ज्वाइन करो, दिस इज नॉट ए गुड इंडस्ट्री. ब्रोकर्स, बिल्डर्स मीन्स अच्छी जॉब, या तो टीचिंग जॉब में जाओ, बीइंग अ फीमेल गो इनटू टीचिंग जॉब, या गो इनटू बैंकिंग काइंड ऑफ जॉब, 10 to 6 वाली जॉब करो. रियल एस्टेट और वो भी सेल्स का जॉब, फीमेल मतलब माय फैमिली, माय नोन मेंबर्स, दे वर ऑल अगेंस्ट इट. बट ऐसा नहीं है. रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री, yes, it was a male dominated industry over a decade of time, but things now have changed, where female leaders are moving up the ladders in the real estate, and it has been accepted that more diversified leadership, the rate of success also is improving, and the research and a lot of research and discussion have taken place about this. And more often we have seen companies or organization with women in a position of power. So earlier it was not there, but since last couple of years I can see women sitting on the top level. And I personally, in fact, I strongly believe that the most prominent thing for any of the individual, whether it's a male or female, is their aspiration. So ऐसा नहीं है मेल है तो ऊपर जाएगा, वो he'll be on the top level, ऐसा नहीं है. Ambitions and skyrocketing dreams is a key of those female who are ambitious enough to excel. No one can downgrade them. And there is numerous example in the industry where we can see female leader leads the male teams. Like अगर हम देखते हैं जिया मोदी हैं, AZB and partners में हैं, किरण मौजूमदार जी हैं, then Sunita Reddy ji hai. So they are the top leading ladies heading the organizations. And if I tell about myself, I have picked up sales, and that too into real estate, as I love building new relationship with new people and managing them. Kept taking on the most challenging assignment possibly in having taken since. If I tell about myself, since last 2004, I have never taken a single break. So continuously working, and it's also not a sweetness and light throughout this long hours. But this I keep taking these challenges and try to deliver all these things before time. And in fact, I'm lucky to work in an organization where my developers, my company, they are giving equal rights to women, and we are we are having a work with a holistic approach, I would say. And I realized over a period of time that women, if they want to progress and to have a sustainable growth, it is very important for us to invest in ourselves, to invest time in ourselves, and to become knowledge seeker also. And by this only we are able to contribute in our society.
Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, so Renu, everyone do have some plans for their future. So if you could tell us about your plans, like your future plan.
It's around 16 plus years now I am working with the real estate developers. And I started as a receptionist in 2004, where I was an graduate. कभी सोचा नहीं था, because I was an introvert kind of lady. कभी नहीं सोचा था कि I would be into sales. कभी क्लास में भी जब I'll tell you about my school days. When I was in school, और school में thought of the day आता था बोलने के लिए, then I was like कि यार I had a stage fear. I won't be able to come in front of the public. I won't be able to tell my thought of the day. But now seeing myself here, कि भाई बोलती नहीं थी, receptionist थी, and now I am heading a department जिसमें maximum बोलना है, interaction है. So in next 5 years, I want to see myself expanding my folio. I am currently taking care of sales and leasing, but I want to expand my folio into portfolio management, global real estate, research and advisory. And that is all about my plan. And let's see destiny कहाँ लेके जाती है.
Okay, so I wish you all the very best for all your future projects, Renu. Okay, so moving ahead, there is this question which I'm always excited to know about, and that is कि जब आपको पता चला था that you have won this prestigious Indian Achievers Award, so what was your reaction? Like क्या feelings थी आपकी, कैसे react किया आपने, अगर आप कुछ इस बारे में बता पाए?
My feeling was like best of the world, I would say. In fact, I would like to thank the Indian Achiever Forum for giving me this privilege and recognizing my contribution in this Indian real estate sector. When I got to know about this award, I was feeling best of the world to receive this iconic women leader award in real estate from Indian Achiever 2020. And in past also, Varsha have received many awards, but feeling with this award was different because this was lockdown period में इतना stress और lockdown period में award मिला, आपको courier आता है. I was so excited, to be very honest. Otherwise, in past also, I have received real estate leader of the year award by News India 18. I have received Women Achiever Award by CNN News by Gulshan Grover ji. Then I have been recognized as the top retail mind of the year 2020 by ET Now Asia, and young female leader by Indian Property. Then Women Achiever Award by GABA Dubai. So by getting these kind of awards, it keeps us motivated. And it's well said that motivation is like a fire. Unless you keep adding fuel to it, it dies. Your fuel is your belief in your inner values. And I think मेरे साथ साथ और भी लोगों को award मिला होगा. So I want to congratulate all the awardees who have been felicitated with the award, as they truly deserve this. And I would also like to congratulate your entire team, the Team Indian Achiever Award, जो कि for organizing this kind of mega event par excellence. And such event and awards are important to organize our efforts, in fact. And this keeps us motivated to work for the betterment of Indian real estate sector, and for boosting our country's economy, and for fulfilling the dreams of the million buyers. और इस कंडीशन में टुडे वी आर सीइंग रियल एस्टेट वाज इन फैक्ट all the sectors are facing a lots of challenges. However, our commitment to serve customers with sincerity, full sincerity, with the full support of the government, we are sure that this sector will turn out to be promising growth of the country's economy and customer delight beyond imagination.
Okay, and I must say you surely deserve this award for the work you are doing.
Thank you so much, Varsha ji.
Okay, so lastly, what piece of advice or what message you would like to give to our today's generation?
Okay. My message to the audience is ability will get you success and character will keep you successful. I'm following this and I want my audience also to follow this. And Varsha, thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak today. And this was all about me, my personal life, my 16 years of journey in real estate. And I seek your team, Indian Achievers, and all my audience blessings in my future endeavors and success.
Okay, lovely Renu, and thank you so much for being with us today and sharing such lovely and good advice of yours too. And I wish you will continue to rise and shine in the same way you are doing, Abhi. So thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank,
Thank you.
thank you, Varsha ji. Thanks to Indian Achiever Forum team for giving me this opportunity. It was pleasure connecting with you guys.